Hello friends, this is Dr. Gopal Sivakumar, your facilitator for the topic Introduction to Define Phase. After watching this lesson, you will understand the objectives of Define Phase, the three important steps in the Define Phase, applicable tools for the Define Phase, and the deliverables from the Define Phase. Objectives of Define Phase. In any Six Sigma project, the goal of the define phase is to identify a project which is of importance to both customers and the business and then get it approved by the top management. It is the define phase during which the project team will study and understand process boundaries, timelines, resource availability and the customer's requirements. With all the information gathered, the project team will develop a document called Project Charter. There are three important steps in define phase. The first step is to generate project ideas using voice of customer, voice of business and cost of poor quality data. And after the project ideas are generated, the Six Sigma team will select one project based on industry specific prioritization criteria. After selecting the project, the team will finalize the project charter and the high level process map. These are the three major steps a Six Sigma team must complete in define phase. Define phase tools. A Six Sigma toolkit offers several tools to help the project team perform and complete the activities correctly. Some of them very helpful in define phase are project charter, Kano model, CPOC, Pareto chart, prioritization matrix, CTQ tree, affinity diagram, run chart, y is equal to f of x, toll gate review. So we will briefly discuss these tools. A project charter is a kind of living document which helps the Six Sigma team to document achievable project goals as well as the available resources. Similarly, Kano model is a powerful tool which helps the Six Sigma team to understand the customer's requirements precisely. CPOC, which is an acronym for supplier, input, process, output and customer, helps the project team to understand the key steps in the process and defines the boundaries and scope for each step. A Pareto chart is a kind of bar chart which helps the Six Sigma team to focus its improvement efforts on problems that are causing the most trouble. Similarly, project prioritization matrix is another tool which helps the Six Sigma team to prioritize the problems based on industry specific criteria. A CTQ tree describes customers' needs into measurable characteristics. An affinity diagram enables the Six Sigma team to organize and summarize data. A run chart will enable the Six Sigma team to study and identify trends or patterns over time. Y is equal to f of x is another powerful tool which allows the Six Sigma team to structure the relationship among the Y's, which are the CTQs, and the X, which are the cost factors. Tollgate review is a tool which keeps the Six Sigma project on track as per the plan and promotes for successful results from it. At the end of the define phase, the Six Sigma team will be able to deliver certain results which will confirm the team's readiness to move on to the measure phase. They are the selected project along with the statement of intended improvement, approved project charter, a written agreement between the project team and the top level management, a high level process map, which is a document supporting the fact that the project team has sufficient process knowledge to achieve the needed improvement. So in this lesson, we have learnt that the main objective of define phase is to develop a project charter and get it approved by the top management. The three important steps in define phase are project identification, project selection and project charter approval. The tools that are helpful in the define phase are project charter, Kano model, CPOC, Pareto chart, project prioritization matrix, CTQ tree, affinity diagram, run chart, y is equal to f of x, and tollgate review. The main deliverables from the define phase are approved project charter and high level process map. Hope you have enjoyed watching this lesson. See you again in the next topic.